everyone, welcome back and thanks for joining me this week. This week we are doing the unboxing of the April art box. The theme for this one is stepping into spring. So there are a lot of kind of pedicure based products in here, but you can also use them for nails and nail art as well. Also just happened to be a really great time for us to release this box with having to stay home. You'll be able to do your own toes and maintain your nails as well during this time. With these boxes, you will also notice we have one of these We Owe You One sheets in here. This is for the top coat that's in the box. We wanted to give you caption top coat, but unfortunately it was unavailable from Young Nails, so there will be any assorted top coat from Orly in your box this month. Once we get the caption top coat back in, we will be sending those out with your next box order. Hopefully it'll be May, but it may be later than that as well. On the note of caption, we have included for you a caption base coat as well as two colors. They are all assorted colors. We have matched them with the Go Time that has gone in your box as well. So again, assorted colors of Go Time as well as two caption colors, so you can make some different looks with those. Also on the caption theme of things, we've included one 8-ounce onto the next polish remover. So this does come with a pump that goes directly into the bottle. This is a really great polish remover. It's very strong, so it works really well with all types of polish, even the really heavily pigmented polishes like the What's Up Nails polish. Speaking of What's Up polishes, we've included the new Roses Are Gold polish in this kit for you. So this is a stamping polish. It is quite a bit thicker than your regular nail polishes, so is recommended specifically for stamping. And moving on to the more kind of pedicure side of things in this box, we have included a sample of the Footlogix Dd Cream for you. If you're unfamiliar with the Footlogix brand, it is a foot cream but can be used on the entire body, and they are also a mousse cream. So if you've never used it before, you give it a little shake and just a small amount will do, and it does come out as a mousse. So this cream is really great for people with psoriasis and eczema. It's really hydrating. It actually does pull moisture from the air, so you don't have to keep reapplying it. It is fragrance free as well, and it's really great for the whole body. It's awesome on tattoos when they're healing, and there's just so many great uses for it. It's definitely my favorite hand cream. And since you can't get in to get your pedicures right now, we have also included the Footlogix foot file. This is the professional stainless steel foot file from Footlogix. It has a coarse and a fine side on it, and the lighter the pressure you use, the better this works. So you don't want to put a very heavy pressure when you're working on your feet, on your calluses. It's just a very light pressure, and you'll find the dead skin comes off very easily. Then we've also included these Footlogix cleansing wipes. We've included 5 of them for you. If you haven't seen these before, they are not a disinfectant, but just a cleansing wipe, but they are really great for cleaning the skin. They are quite large. As you can see, I can't even fit this on the whole thing on the camera. They are a really nice large sheet. You can use them to, it's more of like a wash, so you could use this to wash your hands, especially now after grocery shopping or anything else. You could use it to wipe things down and then use your disinfectant afterward or your hand sanitizer afterward. But these are very gentle. They can be used on the whole body. I have used these on my face before with no issues, so they are really great for sensitive skin as well. We have some little buffing blocks here. These guys just break apart. There's 5 included in the kit, and they are a medium and a fine grit. These are really nice just to give the natural nail a little bit of a buff before you apply any sort of gel polish or nail polish even. And yes, buffing the nail just very gently before applying nail polish can help your polish last longer as well. And then we've included 2 different tiny files. The double blue tiny file is a 220/320 grit. This one's really great for natural nails, especially toenails, and more brittle nails is really great for with a finer grit. And then we've also included the 150/150 flint files, and these guys are a little bit better used for enhancements. So while you're shortening your nails, if you don't do them yourselves, then these ones are really great for shortening your enhancements. And last but not least, we have included some samples of the individual toe spacers that we sell as well. So again, doing your own pedicures, these are awesome to put in between your toes so you don't smudge your polish while you're painting. You only need 2 per foot per pedicure, so you would get 2 full pedicures out of these samples. And as always, everything that is included in the box is sold on our website as well. And the April boxes are available by subscription until April 15th. So Go Time is a one-step gel polish. So this has your base coat, color, and top coat all in one bottle. So this can be applied directly to the natural nail, or if you're still wearing enhancements, you are welcome to put this over top of your enhancements as well. It was designed to be one coat coverage. Some of the darker colors do need 2 thinner coats, but most of them can be applied in one coat. And then this is your regular curing time of 60 seconds in LED or 2 minutes in UV. Go Time does also cure tack free, which makes it very versatile. You are able to chrome directly onto the Go Time if you choose. And of course does not require any sort of cleansing after it has been fully cured.